12 tips on how to improve sexual performance for men naturally. Hey there viewers, you've probably heard, if you are looking for some tips on how to improve sexual performance for men naturally in bed all night, don't skip this post. This also includes improving existing issues or looking for new ways to make your partner satisfied and happy. Although there are a lot of enhancement pills for males available on the market, there are also many simple tips to stay firmer and even last longer without taking pills. You should remember that the penis works on the blood pressure and ensure the circulatory system is working well. Basically, what is good for the heart health is also good for the sexual health. Now, keep watching this video to find some of the easy ways on how to improve sexual performance for men naturally. Before we begin this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more daily health tips and turn on notifications so you never miss our new video. Now here. Top 12 tips on how to improve sexual performance for men naturally. 1. Include meats and other foods. One of the useful tips on how to improve sexual performance for men naturally is to include some meats and other foods. This is because these foods can help you to get a better flow of the blood. Vitamin B1. This vitamin is able to cause the signals in the nervous system to move more quickly, including the signals from the brain to the penis. Vitamin B1 is available in pork, kidney beans, and peanuts. Omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids aid in increasing your blood flow. You can easily find it in tuna, avocados, salmon, and olive oil. Eggs. Eggs are a high source of other B vitamins, so eggs help to balance your hormone levels effectively. This is a great way to relieve stress that is a reason for inhibiting an erection. 2. Add fruits and vegetables to your diet as mentioned above. A good blood flow plays a key role in sexual performance for men. So, you should add certain foods that help to increase your blood flow well. Bananas. Banana is a potassium-rich fruit that is able to reduce your blood pressure well. This may be beneficial for your important sexual parts while boosting up your sexual performance. Onions and garlic. Although onions and garlic may give you a bad breath, they can aid in increasing your blood circulation. Chilies and peppers. The spicy foods in nature can be great for your blood flow by relieving inflammation and hypertension. 3. How to improve sexual performance. Stay active. It is said that staying active is one of the best tips on how to improve sexual performance for men at home. As you know, to improve your health, you need to perform the cardiovascular exercises. Sex may get your heart rate increased up, but regular exercises may help the sexual performance for men by keeping the heart rate in check. Doing sweat-breaking exercises, such as swimming and running, for about 30 minutes per day, may do wonders to give your libido a boost. 4. Try different sexual positions. Developing different sexual positions helps to add interest to your lovemaking and overcome some problems. For instance, the women can reach orgasm by the increased stimulation to their G-spot only when their men enter them from behind. 5. How to improve sexual performance. Reduce stress. Stress can cause a bad effect on your overall health, which includes your libido. Stress contributes to increased blood pressure and increase your heart rate in a bad way. Both of these affect sexual desire and performance. In addition, psychological stress can also have an effect on getting an erection or an orgasm. Doing exercises is considered as one of the great ways to reduce stress and boost your health. You may also talk to your partner about the stress issue, which helps to calm you down and strengthen your relationship. Stress may also lead to some bad habits, such as alcohol consumption or smoking, which harm the sexual performance. 6. Exposure to sunlight. Another useful tip on how to improve sexual performance for men naturally is exposure to the sunlight. Sunlight may aid in stopping the production of melatonin of the body, which helps to sleep well and quiet the sexual urges. Less this hormone, better the potential for you. 7. Pay attention to your partner. Sex isn't a one-way street. Not only does paying special attention to the desires of your partner make sex pleasurable and fun for them, but it also aids in turning you on or even slowing you down. Keep in mind that talking to your partner about this beforehand helps to reduce any awkwardness if you are trying to slow down in a heated moment. Besides, alternating pace and focusing on the partner when you have a break make for an enjoyable experience for you. 8. How to improve sexual performance. Quit bad habits. Some of the bad habits, such as consuming alcohol and smoking, may also affect your sexual performance. However, while research suggests that drinking a little red wine improves blood circulation, too much alcohol may have many side effects. In addition, taking stimulants may narrow blood vessels and actually have been associated with impotence. Quitting or cutting down smoking is the first step that helps to improve your sexual performance. Remember to replace bad habits with other healthy ones, such as eating well or doing exercises to help boost up your sexual health. 9. Masturbation and longevity. If you want to last for a longer time in bed, you need some practice. Sex is one of the best ways to practice for sex, while masturbation may also aid you in improving your longevity. Nevertheless, do you know how to masturbate may not cause any detrimental effect. If you tend to rush through it, you may decrease the time you try to last with your partner inadvertently. The secret to last it is similar to the thing you want to as you aren't alone. 10. How to improve sexual performance. Use lubrication often. The dryness in your vagina that begins in the perimenopause may be simply corrected with using lubrications, including the forms of liquid and gel. Use these products freely to keep away from painful sex, a problem which may snowball into weakening libido and increasing relationship tensions. When using lubricants no longer work well, consult your doctor for other options. 11. Getting more help. If you suffer from Peyronie's disease, erectile dysfunction, or some other diagnosed disorders, you should need medical treatment. Remember not to hesitate to talk to a doctor about how you may improve sexual performance. 12. Do Kegel exercises. Both women and men can improve the sexual fitness by simply exercising the pelvic floor muscles. To perform these exercises, the simple step is to tighten the muscle you use if you want to stop your urine in midstream. Remember to hold the contraction for 2 or 3 seconds and then release. Repeat it 10 times. Try to perform 5 sets per day. These exercises may be done anywhere, such as while driving, standing in one checkout line, or sitting at your desk. At home, women can also add muscle resistance by using vaginal weights. Talk to a sex therapist or doctor about where to get them and how to utilize them. It is not a bad decision for you to do exercises, eat right, and then enjoy your sexual life to the fullest. Above are some tips on how to improve sexual performance for men naturally. For another useful article about sex and relationships, visit our channel. Feel free to leave your comments to share your thoughts with us. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.